Hello friends, today I am unboxing you. This is my amazfit GTS 1 and I will buy it from Flipkart and it costs about 9,000 rupees. Let's check. The box is look like this. This is AMOLED screen, water resistance and built-in GPS, long life battery, multi-sports mode and lightweight. Here is the charging cable. Here is the manual book. This is our main unit. The leather is quite good. This is the brightness level and the brightness level quite good. Here is some theme, but you can also download this theme from your smartphone. Here is the skiing, freestyle, treadmill, running, cycle, climbing, etc. Okay. Here is the status, PI, heart rate, workout, activities, weather, music, alarm, etc. But there was no SpO2 level check option. If you say me that how to shut down this, so this is a setting, system and shutdown option. That's it. Press the hold button and the smartwatch is start up. Let's check the heart rate level. So this is 79. Sometimes it will be fluctuated, but 79 is correct. That's it. Thanks for watching.